Okay, so first of all, good afternoon. How are you doing?
Very good afternoon. I am doing great. And how are you?
Yes, I'm right as rain now. And okay, so I think we met before also, right?
Yes, right now it's the second time.
Okay, okay.
We have talked one time.
Okay, so would you mind give your short introduction again?
It's a long time ago. That time we were discussed about I forget it. Maybe some technology or maybe some MNC company. Okay, but okay, maybe you can forget. I'm going to give my introduction. My
Mhm.
name is Vishal. I come from Haryana only, and my workplace and hometown both in Haryana. I'm 28 years old. I have done graduation. I work in Indian Railways. And I work here as a technician. My hobbies are watching movie, listening to song, playing outdoor games. Nowadays, I am learning this language. 5 months I 5 months ago I started my YouTube journey, and my fifth or sixth conversation with you.
Okay, that's nice. So for 5 months,
It's
you
all
are
about me.
continuously practicing?
Yes, I try to practice here on a daily basis, but sometimes I skip it due to some
Hmm.
unavoidable work.
Okay, okay, got it. Okay, would you like my introduction as well?
Just give your brief intro, but I know, but you can give okay. Then.
Okay, so as you know, my name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal city. If I'll talk about my education, so I have done engineering and currently I'm a working professional in one of the IT company. And it's been 4.5 years I'm working in IT and simultaneously I'm running my YouTube too. Yeah, that's all about me.
Right now, where are you working?
I'm in
In
my
Delhi
home.
or
I'm in my
okay, in
hometown
your hometown?
because I'm working from home.
Okay, okay, got it.
Okay, so do you have any topic for today or shall we discuss any random thing?
It's up to you. If you want to discuss on any topic, we can discuss on topic. Otherwise, we can follow. We can go with flow.
Okay. Do you have
What do
any
you
topic?
think?
Uh, do you have any topic in your mind?
Okay, we can discuss on water.
Water.
Yes. If you are interested, so then we can proceed. Otherwise, not.
Mm-hmm, we can discuss. Okay, no issue. Shall I start?
Yes, yes. Give your ideas on water, like use and we waste too much. How can we save? So there are many things.
Hmm. So I would say that water is very essential part of our life because without water we can't imagine our life. One day we can live without eating food, but without taking water we can't live. And yeah, I have seen that so many people don't value to it water because they just think that it's a free like free thing, so why we should
Yes.
value it? But
Right,
it's a
right.
very, I think we should do something to what can I say, prevent for our future as well. Conserve.
Conjaro.
Yeah, conserve water for our future as well. And you must have seen that there are so many pollution are happening in water, like in river, pond, and everywhere wherever we see. And especially people think that the river and this kind of places are like tourist place, picnic spot. They think like that, and they spread garbage here and there, and they don't care about this thing. But when you will not get water for at least 1 or 2 days, then you will realize the importance of this, right?
Very true. Very true. You are saying right.
Hmm. Yeah. Anything else you want to highlight?
Okay. Water is okay. Water is the region. We can't live without water. And in our daily activities, like for taking, drinking, for bathing, for cooking, for cleaning, for washing, in every work we need water. In gardening, we need water. And all living things on this earth needs water, need water. And if if we will save water, then water will save us. And
Hmm.
on Earth, water is 70%. On Earth's surface, water is 70%, but you will be shocked that drinking water is only 1 and 2%. Mostly our water is salty, it's seawater.
Yes.
So, and we can, okay, conserve water, we can save water. Like in every, we can, we use water in excessive way. Whenever we are brushing, we just tap on the tap, and water is going. So if we use in a bucket, if we use water in a cautious way, then we can save water. There are many things. Sometimes we have like regular supply of water, and that time we are wasting. We are cleaning our floor, and we are throwing water here to there. So here are many
Mhm.
things. We need to be aware, and if everyone take responsibility, so then we can see the difference. It's not in government hand. Some things in our hand.
Yes, yes. I
So if
think
we
it's
start taking responsibility, then we can save.
I think it's a responsibility of everyone, every individual. If we do something on our daily, like daily routine to save water, like we can do, for example, we are washing clothes or washing our like vegetables and all. So we get like we get water after that. So we can use or utilize those water in some other way, like we can water to plants. So we can do this kind of things to conserve water in our day to day life.
Right, right. We can gather water, rainwater, and we can water in the second time if it's possible.
Mm. So what do you
And
think
we
that?
can fix our tap if pipe are leaking. If there are some leakage, so we should fix the leakage.
Hmm. Yes, yes, you are right.
Okay,
So
ask
what
me.
do you think
What you
that
asking?
like you what do you think about yourself? You waste like more water or not?
Okay. But to be honest, I don't save water. I use water whenever I need it. But sometimes we have water in a tiny amount. So that time we take care of every drop. We we
Mm-hmm.
use in a careful manner. If water don't come here for like 2 days, 3 days, that time in scarcity, that times we use in a careful manner. Otherwise, after some days, we will forget all things. It's common thing. And
Yes.
to be honest, I don't save water. I don't take specific steps to save water.
Because when we have something in enough amount, like we have enough water, so we feel that yeah, we can use more water. But in my case, I always try to conserve water in every possible way. I have seen that my sibling, they are just tap on and in the full speed and then they are washing their like faces and all, hand wash. And when I do, I keep it in a like medium flow, so that I
Medium.
can yeah, I can save water. Even I know that I have like enough amount of water, but still I it's in my habit that I don't waste more.
It's a very good habit. Your sibling should learn from your side,
Yes.
and not your sibling. I also should learn from your side. Save
Yes.
water, save life.
Because now we are not facing because we have enough water, but I have seen that in so many places. You must have heard about the recent news of like Bangalore, I guess, water scarcity in Bangalore, and I think in Noida as well. I guess. So people were wandering here and there to collect water, and they were facing a lot of difficulties because they were not getting like enough water for their day-to-day life. So now that people got to know that how much important it is to save water, but
Right.
we still don't give value, that much of value, because we know that we have enough amount of water and we are not facing any kind of scarcity. So that's why. But
Yes, very true.
there is a one
In
dialogue,
India,
जैसे बूंद बूंद से घड़ा भरता है. Similarly, we can
yes,
save some water for our future as well.
right, right.
Okay. Let's talk about another thing. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. So
okay, okay. Let it.
I'm gonna discuss about restaurant and food. Okay. So, like, I want to ask one thing. Like, what was your best experience in any kind of restaurant, and what was the best experience you ever faced?
Okay, I prefer eating homemade food, but sometimes situation is not in our hand, so we have to eat outside.
Mhm.
So here is no such like good experience or bad experience. I try to stay away from this type of situation, but sometimes I eat outside. If I go outside, so I eat. And if here is a special event like birthday or any special, so that time we will eat outside. We eat outside. Okay,
Hmm.
and in your case,
If I'll talk about me, so yeah, I usually go on, yeah, especially on occasion like birthday party and anniversary, this kind of thing. So I go to restaurant. So I would say that my good experience that yeah, I went to one restaurant that was very famous, and that was renowned, I can say, and the service was very ambience and service was very superb. So I enjoyed a lot. So I would say that that was my like best experience. And the worst experience is when one day I went to one restaurant. I they like that restaurant is also renowned, like everyone knows that name. But I went there with my family members, sister's birthday. So I went there, and the food they provided us, and so we ordered, I think, biryani and what can I say, butter masala kulcha, like this. So
okay,
biryani was I think it was look like stale or cold, uh, and uh, and the kulcha was also burned. So we got, we got furious that time. Like it was
frustrated.
not a good service. We are paying like full money, but we are getting such kind of food. So that was the best worst experience, I would say. So we complained that we got this kind of food, and this is not like good for us. So after that, the owner, they accepted their mistakes, and I think they took half amount of money from us, and half money they didn't ask for. So that was my
But
experience.
it was a complete loss of the restaurant. In future, you will never go there. It's very common thing.
Yes, and now whenever we decide that yes, we have to go out for dine out, so whenever we come to know about that name, so we feel, so I just say no. Again, I will not
No,
go there.
we can go anywhere, but not there.
Yes, we can go anywhere, but not that. So yeah, yeah, but it happens. Sometimes we can say if you are going to like so many restaurants, so maybe one or two you will find like good experience, maybe bad
Right,
experience too.
right,
So nothing is perfect. Okay, so do
right,
you
right.
have any favorite food? Any kind of favorite food?
I like homemade food. Rice pudding and aloo potatoes paratha is my favorite.
Oh, that's nice. So
And
who
what is
make
your favorite food?
do you make by your own?
No, I don't know how to prepare them. But I am a married person, so sometime my wife prepared, sometime my mother, sister.
Okay, okay. And my favorite food is fast food actually, because I like to
Okay.
I like fast food a lot, or you can say junk food. Yeah, I know that it is not good for our health, but still I like it, and I would say that momos is my favorite. So whenever I go out, so firstly I try to find out momos only.
Okay.
Yes.
It's a very common thing in our India. Like people usually like street food.
Hmm. Even I tried that kind of food in like good restaurant as well, but I don't like it. I don't know why, but still the taste, we can say that I don't like it. And when I eat that same food like in a street or maybe in a small cafe, so that time I feel we are getting tasty food. Maybe. So it happens.
Because they are specialized in one in some item only. They provide some things to you, 3 to 4 items. But in a major, in a big restaurant, there are many varieties, and they don't think what people think about their services. They are
Yeah,
focused on earning and earning money.
yeah. That's the main reason actually, because their main food is different, and when we ask for something else, for example, if you want
And they
pizza,
charge heavily.
if you want pizza in any other restaurant except Domino's and all, so you will not get that kind of taste, or maybe like good
Quality.
quality. Yeah, in some restaurant I can say that you can get, but in most of the places you can't get that kind of taste.
Percent. Right, right. Very true.
Okay, so I think we can wrap up this call, and thank you so much for your time.
Yes, it was great talking to you. Thank you so much for connecting to me.
Same here. Bye bye.